dear students?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Had your breakfast? Sorry, had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your tummy is full, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
You all know the date and day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today it is 6th December 2021. Today it is Monday. Yes? We have English. Okay, please take out children. Take out the English workbook. Yes, we are in English workbook only, right?
Yes.
Please take out. Yes. Have you all done your homeworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Those who have not done, please complete it. Okay? Yes. In previous class, what we learned? We learned rules of subject verb agreement, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then remember also we learned. Correct, children? And some more exercises we have done. Yes? Now, open page number 12. Open page number 12. We completed 11, right? Now, page number 12. Formal writing. Possessive writing. Okay, possessive writing. Imagine that a fair is happening in your school. Imagine that a fair is happening in your school. Fair means, you know fair? You know fair, right? Yes, Jatre we say in Kannada. Okay, that is fair. Okay, so it's happening in your school. You just imagine you are going to sell something at the fair. You are selling something, anything. Okay, choose your product and think of 4 reasons you will give to the visitors to make them buy it. You have to give the you have to think and you have to choose your product. What type of product you are going to sell? You are going to sell in the fair. Okay, and how you will sell that to the visitors, those who are coming to see that and buying. How you will do it? Just think. See, bookmarks will help you to find the page easily. Okay, see the bookmarks. That will easily, it will help us to find the page for us. Okay, so you have to write down here in the first box. In your first box, you have to write down bookmarks. Write down bookmarks will help you find the page easily. Whatever page you are searching, right, in bookmark you will get easy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please write down. Then this is first one. Next is second one. You can avoid folding pages. This will keep the pages safe. Okay. Then third one. There are many beautiful bookmarks you can pick any design. Okay, then fourth one, they are not very expensive and easy to maintain. Okay. See, you have to say in such a way, like in the bookmarks will help you find the page easily. Which you are saying now, everything will be in the bookmark. Easily you can keep that. So easily that page can be, that page will find you the what? It will help you to find the page easily in the bookmark. Okay. Then next you can avoid folding pages also. You can avoid folding pages. This will keep the pages safe. This will keep the pages safe. Then third one, there are many beautiful bookmarks. You can pick any design. Any design in the bookmark you can easily, or you can take easily that way. You can take a pick design in that easily. Then they are not very expensive and easy to maintain. They are not expensive also. That means it is not more money. No need to give more money and buy. So it is not an expensive and it is easy to maintain also. Okay. Draw what you will say here. In between you have to draw here what you will say. What you will say? Anything. Okay, that you can draw here. Understand, children? Then next, look at the ads given below. Observe the message they are trying to convey. Pay attention to the pictures and slogans used. Stuff it, zip it, go. See, this is the bag which is they are saying. What they have given the slogan here? Slogan is stuff it, zip it, go. Stuff it means fill it. Then zip it means put the zip and go. You can carry and go. Okay. Then make everyday colorful. Yes. Kindergarten crayons. You can give make everyday colorful like that. You can give a slogan. By seeing that they will attract and they will buy that thing. Understood? Then next on the page. Next is so young. You can't have just one. That is chocolate. This is the chocolates. Chocolates if you are selling now, you can give this slogan. So young, you can't have just one. Very yummy. You can't eat only one. You can eat more chocolates. You feel like eating because that much of taste it is. The product like that they are selling. Understand? Have you seen ads and all in the TV?
Yes, ma'am.
How they are selling in a very attractive way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They are doing the video video of that. Advertisement and they are putting in the TV is by seeing that people are attracted and they are coming and purchasing everything. Okay. In the same way you also can do. So these are the things which will be easy for visitors to buy that product. Okay. Then next, advertisements are excellent examples of possessive writing. Possessive writing is example, correct advertisement are very excellent examples for us. We can take the examples from the advertisement and we can use it as a possessive writing. Understood, children? They show how one can convince people about a product or idea. They know very well how to convince, how the people should buy these products, right? So they are very easily, they have many ideas so that we can also use that idea from that. Understand? To do advertising. Then there is very little space in an advertisement. Too many reasons can be given to convince the audience. See, in this, there are very little space in advertisement. In advertisement, only little space only we have. Only short advertisement we will have. Right? Only for 2-3 minutes, that's all advertisement will be. Right now? More than that it won't be. So it should be little only. So the audience also by seeing that they can convince to buy that product. If it is very lengthy now, we also feel bored to buy that. Right? That's why they have given very less timing for the advertisement. Understanding? It is mainly the attractive pictures along with the catchy sentence that convince people to buy the product or service. This will convince them to buy that product. Understand? Next is exercise 4. Create an advertisement to sell homemade chocolate chip biscuits. Fill in the blanks the planning sheet to complete the activity. Draw attractive pictures and include a slogan in your advertisement. Color it once you finish. What you should do? What is the product? What is the product they have told in the exercise 4?
Cookies.
Chocolate?
Cookies.
Chocolate chip biscuit, not cookies. Okay, homemade chocolate chip biscuit. Okay, shall I rub this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, I will rub it, okay? So I rubbed in here, okay. I rubbed in here. Please copy fastly. Next is exercise 4. Exercise 4. Okay. So you have to write what is the product. They have given, see in page number 13. What is the product they have given, right children? Below that you have to write. Homemade chocolate. What is the product?
Homemade chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Cookies.
Chocolate chip biscuits. Okay. Chocolate chip biscuits. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should write down. Then next, second, this is first one. Then the second is next to that. Okay. Who is it for? For whom these chocolates are? It's for the people of all the age groups, not small children only. Nowadays, elders also are eating the chocolate biscuits and all. Right, children? Yes. So, second one, I will write here only, but you will write here below, second down. Okay? Write down there. People of all age groups. Okay? Then turn the next page. You have to draw also, children. That biscuits you have to draw. Already 1 year they have done. Next turn the page. No, there you should draw. They have given the space to draw also. You should draw. Understand? What do you think people should buy your product? Why they should buy your product?
Not eat.
Tell me.
For eating.
Because it is a homemade. It is healthy. Homemade means healthy, right? Yes, homemade means delicious also. Healthy also. Right, children? And made with good ingredients. Very good ingredients. That's why we should buy it. And it is also not very expensive also. Right? If you buy daily milk and that, how much expensive? That chocolate if you do at home, it is not expensive, right? So that's why they can buy this home product like that. Okay? So third one is, write down, it is homemade. It is homemade, delicious. It is homemade, delicious and healthy. And made with good ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. This is E. Then it is also not very expensive. Please write down, children. Yes, children. Have you all copied?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next, fourth one also I have written. See, they have asked, what slogan can you use to sell the product? What slogan you can use? See, the slogan which I have used is happy heart and happy tummy. Happy heart. After eating that we feel happy heart and happy tummy also. But tummy also sometimes it will feel with biscuits, right? Yes, that's right. Happy heart and happy tummy. This is the slogan which we can use to sell our product, biscuit product. Okay. Then next, what pictures can you use? What pictures you can use? We can use like chocolate chips, means chocolate pieces, and slogan of biscuits. For slogan we can use what in a colorful way. Slogan also we can show it in a colorful way. Okay. So in this we can use these pictures also. Understood? So please write down this. After that you have to draw your picture. What you are saying, this is a chocolate chip biscuit. No? You have to draw the chocolate chip biscuit here and you have to use a slogan. Don't use this slogan. You should use some other your own slogan and write here. Okay, this is your homework. Page number 15 is your homework. You have to draw here. Then turn the next page. Creative writing, travel writing. Okay, think about given below. Compare your list of words with your classmates. You can discuss with your classmates and you can complete this. See the clouds they have given. No, that is the brain. What you are thinking in your brain about that. If travel means what all it will come in your mind? Tell me what all it will come in your mind.
I'm happy to.
Like adventure. Yes. No? Travel means adventure. Some adventure you are going. And you will take camera. Yes, camera also you can write. Then you will pack your bags, backpack. Okay, then packing things you will do. Correct, no? Yes, then you will camping you will do. You know camping, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Small tent you will put and you will stay in that.
Yes,
That and all you can write. Then you will carry suitcase and all.
Picnic.
Yes, that and all. And if you are going traveling, something excitement you have, no? Excited you can write. Then sightseeing. Where all are beautiful places, sightseeing you will see. Different places. Understood? So this also homework, page number 16 also is your homework. Please complete page number 15 and 16 as a homework and classwork also complete it and send it them for correction. Okay? I think here it is enough. Then today we will end up the class till here. Then we will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.